High drug consumption in the United States, a growing public health crisis. The United States is facing one of the worst drug addiction crises in its history. Every year, hundreds of thousands of people lose their lives or suffer serious health problems because of drugs such as fentanyl, heroin, methamphetamine, cocaine, and the misuse of prescription opioids. Many people begin using drugs to cope with stress, anxiety, depression, chronic pain, or social pressure, but repeated use changes the brain, leading to addiction that becomes extremely difficult to overcome. Drug abuse can cause heart attacks, strokes, liver failure, kidney damage, lung disease, memory loss, weakened immunity, anxiety disorders, depression, psychosis, and infectious diseases such as HIV and hepatitis when needles are shared. It also destroys families, increases homelessness, unemployment, crime, and financial hardship, while placing enormous pressure on hospitals and emergency services. The opioid epidemic, especially involving illegally manufactured fentanyl, has become particularly deadly because even tiny amounts can cause a fatal overdose. Children and families are often left to deal with the emotional and financial consequences of addiction. Controlling this crisis requires a combination of prevention, education, accessible mental health care, effective treatment programs, medication-assisted treatment for opioid addiction, rehabilitation services, community support, stronger action against illegal drug trafficking, and wider availability of overdose reversal medications such as naloxone. Schools, families, healthcare providers, and governments all play an important role by educating people about the dangers of drug use, identifying addiction early, reducing stigma, and helping those affected seek treatment without fear or shame. Addiction is a medical condition, not simply a lack of willpower, and with timely support, professional treatment, and long-term recovery programs, many people can rebuild their lives. Preventing drug abuse begins with awareness, compassion, and access to the right help, because every life saved is a step toward a healthier and safer society.